Hello everyone. Now I am going to solve the questions based on terminating and non-terminating without actual division. Without actual division, so that each of the following rational numbers is terminating decimal, express each in the form of decimal. First, 31 by 2 to the power 2 and 5 to the power 3. Now we solve it. The given number is 31 by 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 3. Clearly, it is clear that the value of q is in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n, so it is terminating decimal. Clearly, none of 2 and 5 is a factor of 31, so the given rational is its simplest form. Clearly, 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 3 is of the form is a form 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. So the given number is terminating decimal. Now 31 by 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 3 is equal to, at the first we make the power of 2 and power of 5 is same. Here the power of 5 is 3 and here the power of 2 is 2. Now the power of 2 is less than the power of 5, 1 less than 5. Now we multiply the 2 in numerator and denominator for the same of power. 31 into 2 upon 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 3 into 2 is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6 upon 2 to the power 3, because 2 to the power 2 into 2 is equal to 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3. We know that a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n, and a to the power n into b to the power m is equal to ab to the power n. Now here 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3, we can write 62 by 2 into 5 to the power 3 is equal to 62 upon 10 to the power 3 is equal to 62 by 1000 is equal to 0.062 0.062 0.062. It is clear. Now second examples are 33 by 50. At the first, find the prime factorization of 50. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, and 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Now 33 upon, we can write in the place of 50 is equal to 2 into 5 into 5, 2 into 5 into 5 is equal to 33 upon 2 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 2. It is clear that the value of q is in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n, so it is a terminating decimal. Now the decimal form, it expressed in the decimal form. How to express? Here the power of 5 is 2 and the power of 2 is 1. Now at the first we make the power of 2 and power of 5 are same. Then 33 upon 2 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 2, we multiply by 2 in numerator and denominator is equal to 66, 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6 upon 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2 is equal to 66 by 5 to the 10 to the power 2 is equal to 66 by 100 is equal to, when divided 66 by 100 we get 0.66. And third questions are 17 by 6 to 5. We can write 625 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Is equal to 17 by 5 to the power 4. First of all, in the denominator should be 10, but here only 5. Now first we make the 5 into 2 form. Now multiply by 2 to the power 4 in a numerator and denominator equal to 17 into 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 by 10 to the power 4. 17 into 16 is equal to 17 into 16 is equal to 272. 272 by 10,000 equal to 0.0272. Now last questions. 4th 41 by 1000 is equal to 41 by, we can write 1000 is equal to 2 to the power cube into 5 to the power 3, because the prime factor of 1000 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 41 upon 10 to the power cube is equal to 41 upon 1000 is equal to 0.041. All students solve the questions of NCERT exercise 1.4.